In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix, add, remove, or hide a footer in Squarespace 2025. Footers are a crucial part of your website, ensuring consistent branding, easy navigation, and compliance with legal requirements across all your pages. Let's dive into the process and explore how you can effectively manage the footer in your Squarespace site. First things first, you need to log into your Squarespace account. If you haven't already created an account, make sure to sign up on the platform. If you have, simply enter your credentials and you'll be taken to the main dashboard of your account. The account dashboard is a central hub where you can manage all aspects of your site, making it easy to navigate between different settings and configurations. Once you're logged in, your next step is to head over to your account dashboard. This is where you'll be able to see an overview of all your Squarespace websites, any recent activities, and additional options related to your account. From here, you want to locate and click on the website you wish to edit. This will bring you directly to the editing interface for that particular website where you can make necessary changes. Now that you're in your website editor, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Keep scrolling until you reach the footer area. Once you found the footer, simply hover over it. You'll notice an option popping up that says Edit Footer. Click on this option to begin customizing your footer. At this point, you have several customization options available to make your footer serve its purpose effectively. This area can be customized by adding elements such as text, buttons, social links, logos, newsletter blocks, and navigation menus. It's important to remember that any changes you make here will affect the entire site because the footer is global. It appears on all the pages of your website. To add extra sections to your footer, look for an option that says Add Section. Click on this to expand the functionality of your footer beyond the default settings. This can be especially useful if you want to add more intricate elements or adjust your layout to better fit your brand and user needs. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, it's crucial to save your work. Look for a Save button, typically located in the upper corner of your editing interface, and click on it to ensure that all your adjustments are properly stored. Taking this step ensures that your updated footer is live and visible to all visitors on your website. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to fixing, adding, removing, or hiding footers in Squarespace 2025. With these steps, you can enhance the look and functionality of your site's footer, contributing to a more cohesive and user-friendly experience. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks on maximizing your Squarespace website.